Hello, this is Alex Kazmark for the FXEdge.com, and this is your free daily Forex video for Monday, December 28th, 2009. A quick reminder before I begin, the purpose of this free daily video is education and not an alert service. I'm not going to make any trade recommendation here, but what I am going to do is point out levels of support and resistance for the next 12 to 24 hours. Please keep in mind that trading with leverage is very risky, so please don't trade any real money until you've established a proven track record of success on a demo account. Trading conditions are always changing, so make sure to watch tomorrow's video to stay updated. Well, merry couple of days after Christmas, everybody. It is December 28th. Hope everybody had a great weekend, a great time with friends and family. We are entering a very short trading week right before the New Year weekend. We're not expecting to see major moves, but we may see some volatility as we do have some key economic data that is going to be released from the U.S. more significantly here. That's the more important data we're looking at. We're going to want to see how the market reacts to this data, specifically since this is the last week of the year. We may see some more profit taking ahead of the weekend. So we'll see how the market reacts and try to figure out what direction the market wants to go beginning January. As far as the key economic data that we're going to be looking for, Tuesday we have the consumer confidence from the U.S. We have Chicago Purchasers Manufacturing Index on Wednesday. And on Thursday, we have unemployment claims along with the nationwide HPI month-over-month numbers from the UK, and credit conditions survey as well from the UK. In Europe, a German bank holiday and Italian bank holiday will start on Thursday. So markets are pretty thin here. Also, in Japan, bank holiday Wednesday. So we have quite a few things here. Very short week. A lot of holidays, and I forgot to mention one more, UK holiday today on Monday, December 28th, along with Canada. So the market is really going to be pretty slow. And Australian and New Zealand bank holiday on Sunday, so we're seeing that right now. In any case, let's move on and take a look at the figures. Looking at the euro dollar on the daily, trading at just above 143.50. We're going to be looking for market to continue ranging between 143 and 144.20, where this 10-day moving average resides. We don't expect to see a much higher move, specifically above the 145.80 area. So first level of resistance will be at 144.20, followed by 145. A break above that will most likely run into pretty heavy resistance at the 20-day moving average at 145.80. Above that, we'll be looking for 147 and 148.50. First level of support will be the last week's low of 142. We don't expect to go below that. It'll be interesting to see if we do, but we really think the 142 level is a good level of support. Now, if a break does occur, we expect to see heavy stalling and a lot of support at 140.50 and specifically at the 140 level. I might choose to go long at the 140 level if we get down this far. Now, granted, we'll discuss that in our members section, so take that note with a grain of salt. Looking at the pound dollar trading at 159.50. First level of support over the last couple of days, pretty important, will be at 159.20. A break below that will target 158, and below that we'll be looking for 156.80. Hopefully this 159.20 area is going to hold up, and we'll start to see the pound rally, perhaps running into resistance at 161. Above that, we'll be looking for 162, which should be pretty heavy considering we had a lot of support here, and 162.50. A break above that will target 164.20. Looking at the dollar Swissy trading at 103.80. First level of support will be at 103.50, followed by 102.80. A break below 102.80 will look for 102. And a break below 102 will look for 101.30 and 101. Now, if the dollar starts to continue gaining more and more ground, after having a little bit of a retracement over the last couple of days, we are going to run into quite a bit of resistance at the 105 level. We saw that level tested. It failed, and we had what looks possibly to be a reversal candle, but it's too early to tell. It's late in the year. This could be a little bit of profit taking, and a break above 105 may likely to extend gains for the dollar up to the 105.50 area. That's our second level of resistance, followed by 106.50 and 107. Looking at the dollar yen, what's interesting to notice here is we were monitoring this move higher from the 85 level. We called this 85 level a low, or at least we targeted this low in end of August, beginning September. We finally saw that occur towards the end of November. Market started moving up. We saw a retracement, bounced right off of the trend line. Now that's exactly how we marked the trend line, to this retracement. Market continued moving higher, bouncing off the trend line, as you can see here. Then we drew a downward sloping trend line. And what we saw here, now this is when we first started seeing stalling, and then we saw a big reversal candle, but then it ended up closing higher on the day. Candle reversed, touching the trend line, and started continuing moving higher. Now, running into quite a bit of resistance at the 92 level. We think that it might stall out here at the 92 level and start reversing back to the 90 level and possibly into the 89 figure. Our first level of resistance at this point is going to be at 92. A break above 92 will target 92.30 and 93.20. Above that, we will be targeting a high of 95.12. A break lower will target 90.80 for the first level of support, followed by 89.80. Level below that will be 88.20 and 87.20. And of course, below that will be 86.20. So that's it for the free daily video. If you'd like a more detailed analysis with potential trade opportunities, please join us in the members section. We look forward to updating you for the week. We don't expect much action, but anything exciting does occur, we'll make sure to let you know. Hopefully we'll give you much more information in the beginning of the new year, and we'll speak with you soon. This has been Alex Kazmark for the FXEdge.com free daily Forex video for December 28th, 2009. Until tomorrow, good luck trading.